Okay guys, we are going to start learning about how did the United States of America become the United States of America? How did we get from this? This is a map of the Native American tribes. To this. This shows the European countries trying to claim North America. And then to this. This is the United States as we know it today. What happened in between there? So let's get going on this journey. Okay, here we have a map zoomed in a bit to the area that we want to talk about here. Here is North America. Of course, it didn't have these boundaries then. But what I want to point out is the countries that would like to settle it. So the powerhouses at this time, 1500s, around in there, are Spain, France, and England, which is the United Kingdom as well. Things change, but so all three of these countries, very powerful countries, and as you might remember, Spain actually is the one that financed Christopher Columbus to head over here. So all these countries are sailing ships of discovery in this direction, trying to gain access to North America and claim it for themselves. They've heard all these things. If you've been listening to Teacher Read Aloud, you have realized that there's rumors of what crazy things are in the New World, as they call it. They said there are rivers of gold and gems that you can just pick up on the beach. So, of course, these countries are trying to get there to get these things. And yes, there's probably some fighting in between. There's competition. So when they land, they sail their boats over. When they land, they discover, well, no, they haven't found any rivers of gold or anything like that. But there are some really good resources that they can take from North America. So England comes on over. So we're going to focus on England. But we will see the French and the Spanish as well. The Spanish mainly continue and come around here. Okay. The French, they continue and they come around here. Okay. And England, as we see, are going to kind of come around here. And of course, when they land, who's there already? The Native Americans. And at first, the Native Americans are friendly. They teach them how to survive. And kind of what we are going to study is what it took to survive there. And in our Teacher Read Aloud book, Surviving Jamestown, which was the first permanent settlement, there were other ones that tried to before. One of my favorite is called Roanoke, and it's a history mystery. The Lost Colony of Roanoke. I'm actually going to put a video in for you guys to watch. It was fascinating to me as a kid. I read a lot about the Lost Colony of Roanoke. And still to this day, we're not quite positive what happened to those people. So watch that video there. And yeah, so we are going to be studying what life was like for those first people to come settle here. They call it colonizing North America.